Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got the Gusty Box. I'm very excited. This has been downstairs, I'm not gonna lie, for 3 days, but I have just had absolutely no time at all to do anything. And I was gonna do it with my mum today, but the car broke and I didn't have a chance. So the babies are in bed. I'm a little bit worried I'm gonna wake them up doing that, but Ben's here, he can sort them out. Degustabox, if you don't know, is a monthly food box. It's not really a snack box because it has all different things in it. You get like canned stuff, you get drinks, you get alcohol, you'll get gluten-free stuff, you get quite a lot of vegan things, which is nice. I think it's £12.99 a month. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys now. If you sign up using the code, you will then get a code that you can give to people to get a discount. This is not PR, I pay for this myself. But yeah, if you sign up, you'll get a code that you can then give to people and they can get a discount as well. So yeah, let's just jump in. I do say every single one of these videos, if you are someone that does a shop at 10 different supermarkets every week to get the best deal, you might not like it because there might be something in here that you've seen in Asda for £1, but if someone else shops at Tesco's and it's £2.99, they're going to say it's £2.99. They're not going to tell you the cheaper price. And so if you're someone that will literally go to 10 different supermarkets to get all the good deals, then the things in here you might feel like they're really expensive, but they are just picking the highest price that it is for sale at that time. So yeah, it comes like this. It comes via DPD, possibly DPD, a courier. You get a text to say it's going to come with a 1 hour slot, and then they just deliver it, so all good. Okay, like this. Reese's get in my face. So there's a thing for the Degustabox advent calendar. My mum has actually bought me this. It's not coming yet, but they've got a calendar currently on offer for $33.99. And you can get the discount for with Advent 2020. That's just on here, nothing to do with me. And then you get some, we've got loads and loads of leaflets which are generally discount codes for stuff in there, so I'm not going to look at them yet. And this is the October movie night and Halloween, so there's a couple of other discount codes as well. There's some puzzles on the back, which is nice. So I'm not gonna go through everything that's on here. I'll just take it out and do it. So the first thing I've got is Reese's. These are £1.50, and these are peanut butter minis. I absolutely love these. We have these in our freezer because they are so good when they're frozen. They're good anyway, but they're even better when they're frozen. They're literally just a peanut butter cup, a Reese's peanut butter cup, but they're teeny weeny. They are so small. Peanut butter cups make me happy. Good start. Right, next I've got Ollie's pretzel thins. Oh, another good one. Pretzel thins are perfectly healthy alternative to crisps. Oven baked, extra crispy and super impressive. See what we did there. They also have up to 80% less fat and 45% fewer calories than potato crisps and come in less than 98 calories per pack, and they're vegan. They're £1 a bag. I would definitely buy these because in this house we love pretzels. So we have got multi-seed sesame pretzels, and then we've also got salted original pretzels, and they're like less than 100 calories a bag, so I will 100% be buying some of these if they're good. Let's have a little try. I'm not going to eat them all now because I'm not really hungry, but I do want to try one. Oh, they smell good. Let me try and get one that's not broken. I think they're meant to be, I don't know whether they're like meant to be little, they look like a little skull. I don't think they're meant to, but they do look like little skulls. You see? They look yummy. They smell really good. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are amazing. Where do you buy them from? Amazon and Ollie's online shop. I am literally, I haven't ever done this from a Degustabox before, but I'm going to go, as soon as I've finished, I'm going online and buying some more of them because they are amazing. Right, next I've got, what are you? An Attack Snack Original Nachos. Ben really likes these. I think they're gross, but he really likes them. So you get like nachos and then salsa. And then you get cheese as well. It's gross. £1.50. I wouldn't ever buy these, but Ben does like them. Oh, it says short expiry. Have I just left? Oh no, it's next month. It's fine. I was like panicking that I'd left it downstairs for 3 days and they'd be bad, but they're not. They're fine. So yeah, you literally peel it off, put the salsa on the top of the nachos with the cheese and eat it. But yeah, Ben loves them. The kids might even like them. Next, I've got a naked Malaysian rendang veg pot. Oh, that sounds delicious. And naked noodles. Naked veg pots are 100% plant-based. There's £1.50. I would only buy these when they're on offer. If they're on offer for like £1 or less and there's a new flavour or a flavour I fancy, I will buy them, but I never ever pay full price. You get Korean barbecue ramen, Malaysian rendang and Chinese green vegetable broth. Simply add water for a delicious and nutritious lunch. All products are vegan. Lovely. 238 calories. That's not bad. I'm going to give this a go tomorrow. Yeah, that looks lovely. I think I saw my friend Claire had hers in her Degustabox a few days ago and said it was really good. So there's aromatic spices, curry powder paired with coconut and a hint of garlic. Yum. Right, next. Oh, I've got coffee from Costa. It's quite a good box so far. I'm not really sure. It's movie night and Halloween. Like the pretzels and the Reese's definitely had like movie night, but the noodles and coffee, not sure. How much are you? £5.50. Perfect blend of Arabica and strong Robusta beans, slow roasted for a smooth and nutty flavour. We will definitely keep this and use it. I can't have it because of the caffeine, but everyone else, well, Ben and my mum and Ben's mum, will definitely get the use out of that. Give it a smell. Oh, I love popping them. It smells quite good, and it's just instant coffee. Lovely stuff. This box is packed, like jam packed. Sometimes you get them and they're like a bit crap, but this one seems quite good. Maybe you've bought these buns before. These are brioche buns. I buy these from Macro and they are yummy. £2, 6 brioche buns. Go gourmet with St. Pierre. These rich buttery tasting buns will take your burgers to the next level. They're versatile. Whether you're indulging at breakfast or dishing up something different, these are pre-sliced, soft, delicious brioche buns that make the perfect partner. Make every day magnifique. They're really, really yummy. What's next? Oh, the girls will love these. Chocolate crepes. These are just like pancakes filled with kind of like a Nutella-y spread. £1.75. Parents' best friend, a kid's favourite. Crepes are the perfect way to reward hungry mouths in need of an energy boost. These yummy crepes are filled with tasty chocolate, made without any preservatives, and they're individually wrapped for convenience, making them an ideal snack on the go. My girls absolutely love these, so awesome stuff. Next, I've got a couple of Yes bars. Oh, mega. These are £1.59 each, which is ridiculous, but it's nuts and stuff, so you generally pay that much for them. You say yes to new Yes plant protein bars. 10 grams of plant-based protein with nuts as a #1 ingredient. So it's dark chocolate, almond and peanut butter. No, almond, peanut and dark chocolate. Double dark chocolate, and then cashew, blueberry and dark chocolate. The almond, peanut and dark chocolate sounds absolutely right up my street. I will be having that, and then Ben can have the other one. What are they like for calories? But they're bad. 231 calories. So this has 7 calories less than this, so like that's your lunch and that's a snack. So, but I'm very excited for it. Oh, hot chocolate. Maltesers hot chocolate, £2.59. Your favourite super chocolatey hot chocolate with a new fancy look. Delicious top with mini marshmallows, squirted cream, or as an ingredient for your chocolate favourite baking recipes. Maltesers instant hot chocolate is available in 350 or 180 gram jars or individual sticks, and you can buy it at Morrison's, Sainsbury's and Asda. Lovely. I might even go downstairs and make one of these in a minute, because I'm going to go to bed and watch some Desperate Housewives, and I always like to have a little hot drink next to me in my cauldron. Right, next I've got a flapjack, a chocolate flapjack. This is £1.29. Again, that's expensive, but they are very dense and it's kind of like a breakfast. So, chocoholics rejoice. Satisfy your chocolate cravings in the best way with a delicious chocolate covered flapjack. Full of high quality natural ingredients, perfect for a well-desired treat time, curled up with a cuppa. I thought I'd say that's breakfast because that is hefty. Yeah, this bar has got 370 calories in it, so that's like 1.5 pots of noodles. That's not a snack, that's your breakfast. What are you? Oh, this is a gift. Cookie Cat, wild berries, a tempting red colour, an irresistible taste, a lovely combination of tender cacao butter drops and sweet with a sour taste of lingonberries. Just one bite and there's no turning back. We'll see. We'll see. Doesn't look particularly nice. Straight in the bin. Oh, that's horrid. I have a peanut butter cup to take the taste away. Ooh. Oh, itching nose. And lastly, Kit Kat Senses gift box, £5. Salted caramel, double chocolate and hazelnut. Little Kit Kat bites. They are yummy. I've had these before. That was a really good box. Let me add it up quickly. Oh. Me pretending I can add. I'm going to use a calculator. That is £28.81p, and I've just realised there is where's the voucher? They do Yollies. These are Scarestring strawberry Yollies, which are like yogurt lollies. They're like solid yogurt and they are absolutely fucking horrible. They are so disgusting. It is ridiculous. It's kind of like is it blancmange that they used to make in the 70s? It's that kind of like wobbly texture, but it's solid. They are fucking gross. The girls hate them. I've bought them for the girls in the past and they've just had one bite and been like, ugh. I've tried them, they're horrible. But you can get a free pack of them. You got a voucher here that you just take to your supermarket and you can pick them up if you want to, but they're rank, so I'd highly avoid doing that. I think that's my favourite box in absolutely ages. Was there anything I won't... Well, obviously I'm not going to drink a coffee, but that will definitely get used. And the Yollies are rank, but everything else, even with take the Yollies off, is still 26 quid, £26.80. So I think it's a really, really good value box. Definitely the best we've had in a long, long time. So yeah, I'm going to go and make myself Maltesers and have a couple more Reese's and then go to bed. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.